Keeping Tarantulas as Pets, a Beginner's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and slightly unconventional topic: tarantulas as pets. Now, I know what you might be thinking: spiders as pets? But stay with us, because you might find that these creatures are more interesting and manageable than you initially thought. Let's explore what it means to keep a tarantula, and why someone might want to share their home with one of these 8-legged friends. Tarantulas are a type of spider belonging to the family Theraphacidae. Unlike the common house spider, tarantulas are known for their large size and hairy bodies. They can be found in various parts of the world, including the Americas, Africa, and Asia. There are hundreds of different species, each with its unique characteristics, such as color, behavior, and habitat preferences. You might wonder, why would anyone want a tarantula as a pet? Well, tarantulas are fascinating creatures. They're relatively low maintenance, require minimal space, and can be a unique addition to your home. They're also quiet and, contrary to popular belief, only rarely pose a danger to humans. Their venom is not lethal to humans, except for rare allergic reactions, making them a safe choice for a pet spider. When deciding to keep a tarantula as a pet, it's important to choose the right species. Some species are more suitable for beginners due to their docile nature and ease of care. Popular choices include the Chilean rose, Mexican redknee, and Costa Rican zebra tarantulas. It's also crucial to purchase your pet from a reputable breeder or pet store to ensure it's healthy and has been raised in good conditions. Caring for a tarantula involves setting up a proper habitat that mimics their natural environment. This includes a terrarium with adequate space, substrate for burrowing, a hide, and controlled temperature and humidity. Tarantulas eat live prey, such as crickets and mealworms, but they don't require daily feeding. Understanding and respecting their feeding schedule and space is key to a healthy pet. While some tarantula owners do handle their pets, it's important to approach this with caution. Handling should be done sparingly, if at all, as tarantulas can become stressed, and their hairs can cause irritation. Always wash your hands before and after handling, and ensure you're familiar with the proper technique to avoid harming your spider or yourself. We hope this video has shed some light on the world of keeping tarantulas as pets. Whether you're intrigued, considering getting one, or just here to learn something new, we're glad you joined us. Remember, tarantulas may not be the conventional choice for a pet, but they can make for a fascinating and rewarding companion for the right person. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.